Welcome to the Program of Studies for IB Spanish 4 and 5, course numbers 560 and 562. This course is designed for students who really love hearing the Spanish language and conversing in Spanish with the teacher and their classmates about economics, culture, and history. This course is for students who seek an academic challenge and possible college credit. IB Spanish 4 and 5 are taught almost entirely in Spanish, and students are expected to communicate solely in Spanish because it is designed to be a college-level course. This will be a challenge at first, but well worth it for those who want to make progress in their mastery of the language and to be successful in college. Naturally, there is an adjustment period to get used to a course taught entirely in Spanish, but most students report that after 2 weeks they feel completely at ease. The 2-year IB course focuses on both spoken and written communication. Additionally, students will study the conventions used by native Spanish speakers in order to write more authentic essays, emails, letters, journal entries, etc. In addition to spoken and written communication, students will read for understanding literary texts and other texts published originally for a Spanish-speaking public. Through in-class discussions, interviews with native speakers, and authentic readings, students will gain further insight into the culture of Spanish speakers. Students will participate in frequent partner work, small group discussions, internet searches, readings, and written work. There is regularly scheduled homework to reinforce and extend learning. Students will study social, cultural, and historical issues and events to learn common vocabulary that appears on the IB exams. There is some review of grammar to allow for college success. Projects and assessments are designed to help students to maximize their performance on the IB exam. Students will also take old IB tests to familiarize themselves with the format and style of the exams. E-folios will be used to track progress and to set personal goals. After successful completion of the course, students have the opportunity to receive college credit, depending on their results on the IB exam. Students should check with their college or university to verify their policy regarding the awarding of language credits. After successful completion of the IB Spanish 4 and 5 courses, students can expect an easy transition to college Spanish classes with a high level of success in those courses. In addition, students can participate in Spanish club activities, participate in a service learning trip, a cultural exchange to Madrid, or a multi-city tour in Spain. There's also the option to participate in an international marketing competition, and of course the opportunity to increase one's ability to compete globally through the acquisition of linguistic and intercultural skills.